Hey there, good afternoon. It is Thursday, September 18th, and if you're new here, this is our daily update to you where we share some of the good things happening around HISD along with some important district announcements. Yesterday, Superintendent Mike Miles addressed the Houston City Council's Economic Development Committee to share important updates on HISD's academic progress. He took questions from council members and highlighted the significant improvements in state accountability ratings across the district.
Time is of the essence. Our kids, people approach this like the kids have a whole bunch of time for the adults to get it right. They don't. Hence the urgency. Hence the amount of time, the pace of change has got to be fast. And there's no denying when a kid can read at grade level and couldn't read before, there's a lot of pride and joy in that. And they don't doubt the data because there's so much data, NWA, NAEP, DIBELS, STAR, that says the same thing. So those are the people that we focus on. Those are the people we listen to because they are the ones that in the end of the day, that's what we're doing. This A and B promise, that's about the kids. And that's about putting kids first and celebrating their success. And they believe. And those are the ones we will focus on.
In other news, a big congrats goes out to the 70 incredible HISD seniors who have been named the National Merit Scholarship semifinalist. Their hard work, dedication, and academic excellence has placed them among the top 1% in Texas and among the best in the nation. We've shared the full article and the list on our Facebook and X pages. And speaking of excellence in HISD, Kolter Elementary has been the focus this week for our Campus Close-Up series. Now, we went out to the school to talk to teachers, students, and even parents about this tight-knit school community. That's how they all described it to me. Now, today's news story on Kolter takes us outside to the school's garden. PTO President Danielle Davis talked to us about this vast green space and how it's enriching the learning experience for every student at Kolter. That story is up on the channel right now. You can also check it out on Facebook and Instagram. And make sure you're subscribed to the channel because tomorrow we're talking to the students of Kolter, all of them expressing just how much they love their foreign language magnet program. That's coming up tomorrow. In other news, congrats to the Bellaire High School Wind Ensemble. They've been chosen to perform at the 2025 Western International Band Clinic in Seattle, Washington. It's a historic accomplishment for HISD.
Very few bands ever achieve something like this. This is the first time in the history of the Houston ISD that a symphonic ensemble has ever been selected to perform at one of the three major conferences. Out of 547 entries, this was the band.
I feel like we're really we're making good progress with it, but we definitely have work to do, which is why we're doing so many practices and so many rehearsals for it.
The Bellaire High School Wind Ensemble takes the stage in Seattle on November 22nd, and we want to wish them the best of luck. And we're working on a much larger story about this huge accomplishment. It'll be up on the channel very soon, so be on the lookout. Now, in other news, this coming weekend is a big one for high school football. Yates is taking on Wheatley for the Fall Classic tomorrow night. Now, we talked to HISD Athletic Director Andre Walker about this historic matchup that was once called the Turkey Day Rivalry. Now, it started back in 1946 and has been one of the largest high school rivalries in the country, attracting up to, get this, 20,000 fans in its heyday back in the 1950s and the 60s. Now, you can check out this full conversation on our YouTube channel. Well, that does it for us today. As always, thank you for connecting with us, and we'll see you back right here tomorrow. Have a great evening.